Tonight's been the launch of the Year 1 action plan, and it's been the first of our 4 networking events for the year. What I'm really pleased to say is that we've had 3 guest speakers with us this evening. We've had Leigh Bramall, Deputy Leader of the Council, talking about Together and the work that we can do collaboratively between the public and private sector. We then had Phillip Slade from PATH, who is the marketing agency that we have employed based in London to come up and do the full strategic review of marketing in Sheffield. Really pleased that Phillip's got that contract because he came to university in Sheffield. His wife's from Sheffield, so he's really passionate about making a difference in our city, which is great. And then James Abdy, the Chief Super for the City Centre, came along and talked to us about the potential for the offer of the bid paying for some police and them giving us some back in kind in the form of PCSO. So lots of detail covered. Big group of people turned out, probably the biggest turnout we've had yet to a bid event, so really pleased, and lots of new faces this time. Lots of people who are interested in the bid, want to help play a role that we were previously unaware of, so you can see that our reach is growing. People are understanding a bit more about what we're about, and going forward that just helps us to achieve everything that we want to achieve.
Obviously with the money and how we spend that, I think it'll just make it more attractive for customers to come to Sheffield. Obviously longer term, I think we've got lots of things to be proud of in Sheffield, and it's just creating that awareness and making that more attractive and more appealing, and like I say, more easier for customers to come in and just make it a lot. I think it's just about being proud of what we've got in Sheffield.
I think what the bid can provide to the city is it actually, for the first time, to my knowledge, actually provides a key focal entity for people to get behind. And there's a lot of disparate organisations out there, and it gives even those disparate organisations the ability to actually get behind the bid and everyone move forward for the same goal. Because at the end of the day, what we want to do is we want to make this our Sheffield, and we want to move Sheffield forward.
The bid can only really be effective and work if we've got really strong sector groups representing retail, food, nighttime, culture, and so on. And in some of those, we still need people to come forward and really represent those sectors. So if you're sat there now and you're in one of those sectors who pays into a bid levy and you think, actually, there's value I can have, then check the website, come forward, let's have a conversation. There's still an opportunity to join the board.